Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we are going to be doing a screen protector install on my Sony Xperia Red, recently brought in, purchased over at eBay for 209 smacks. Loving this device, just having a lot of fun with this throwback flashback flagship smartphone from 2017 that originally cost 800 smackarulas. I paid 209, and actually the price has gone up just a little bit, around 213 I think it is. But anyway, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description area. Anything you see in this video as far as products will be linked down below in that description area. Now, if you have any questions that pertains to the XZ Premium or any of the products, ask away. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely fashion. During the unboxing, and if you haven't seen the unboxing, you can go check it out. There's a lot of information in that unboxing outside of just pulling the device out of that box. I go through some areas that I think is very important if this is a device you want to consider bringing in 2022. But obviously there's going to be some missing areas. But for the price point, you just might enjoy the purchase. I know I have. I'm digging a lot of areas, but I am understanding that there are going to be some missing areas, and that's already been dealt with as far as mentally. And with that, I've been able to enjoy my time with it over a week now. These are the screen protectors in the unboxing that I use. Centaurus purchased over at Amazon. You get 3. And I've already used one, and the second one's on here, and there's another one in here. And let me show you the screen protector. It's a tempered glass screen protector, very thin, and I'll explain to you why I already removed one. Used the second, and here's the third. Very thin. There's a little bit of a curve on edges. Now, the adhesive is right on the edges. But the problem is you have no adhesive up top and at the bottom. Okay, just on the sides. Right in here, this area is not going to stick to the display, the IPS LCD tri-luminous display, 4K display, which is very vivid and sharp when watching videos and movies. So it's not going to stick, adhere, which is the same thing, to that display, which is a bummer. And with not having any adhesive up here and here, it allows dust to get into this area right here, which is very visible, and I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to zoom on in. You can see the dust there. Now, the first screen protector I had on here from Centaurus, it was really bad. There was dust everywhere. So you're going to get dust in all of those important areas because it's not sticking. It's not adhering to the display. The dust slowly sneaks right into those little openings and then right above here because you have no adhesive up top or at the bottom, only on the sides. And that's why you don't see any dust along the sides like you do up here. So anyway, you know, it's worked for this short period of time, but I need to get something that's going to work even better than this. So what I'm going to do is turn off my device here. It's going to be a lot easier to work with as far as installing the screen protector. You can see that I have a clear case, which does get smudges. So you're going to periodically have to wipe that down. But not a lot of money to pay. I think it's around like $5-6 over at Amazon. So the device is off. We'll remove the case. And what I'm going to do is speed up the video, go through the process, and then we'll get a good look before I end the video. So without further ado, let's do this. Okay, well, I found something out during the install, that this screen protector, it's a wet install. Thank God I have a few of these sprayers upstairs in one of my drawers where I keep a lot of the extra film and tempered glass screen protectors for the devices that I have. So I was able to peel the screen protector back off, spray it down, put it back on, squeeze out the liquid, and here we are. It looks really, really good, but there's still some residue underneath the film screen protector, which will go away on its own. So should be really, really nice looking, and it's actually better than regular film. But I didn't know any of that information because I didn't fully do my homework like I'm always preaching. And well, it just shows you that I'm human and I make mistakes. So I went back to Amazon. I actually shut off the video during the install, went back to Amazon, looked at the information, realized, yeah, it was a wet film screen protector. So then I started the video up in a way where it looked like I just made it all flow. But so you know, in the middle of that, I went upstairs after look at the information. I went upstairs and got the sprayer, peeled it back off, sprayed it on, and just finished out the video. So here we go. It all worked out, but nowhere on this cardboard envelope here does it say wet. Wearable tech, screen protector. Down here it says scratch resistant, military grade, lifetime warranty, and on the back you got the website, but nowhere does it say wet, but it does say that over at Amazon. So my bad, but you know, I rectified the situation. It worked out. Got a lot of smudges, and gotta put on the, find my case here. Where did I put my case? So I can make sure that that's going to work properly. Here it is. Clean that, clean the back, put it on, wipe the back, wipe the front, and I don't see any lifting at all, which is really good. And we'll go ahead and turn on my Sony Xperia XZ Premium. That looks really good on my Sony Xperia XZ Premium Red. And for the third time, everything that you need to know as far as purchasing the device, the products, down below in the description area. And there we go. Woo! That was a challenge. God bless y'all, man. I'm out.